Hello everyone, we have a brand new keyboard featured right here. This is sent over by Akko, a complete Akko build, the Akko ACR Top 75 with the Akko Crystal Wine Red switches, part of the new switch lineup that Akko is offering right now, and their new MDA profile keycaps. So this is the MDA profile ABS double shot building blocks keycap. It's basically a white on black keycaps with a little bit of accent, very cute accent, animal themed accents. This is my first teaser video. It's going to be a quick review. I will release a full video very soon, but suffice it to say, I'm really loving it. This is completely stock, guys. I didn't even tune the stabilizers. The switches are stock. Really, really good. This is completely stock. I did not even lube the stabilizers. The switches are stock. Really, really good. It's not as bouncy as the other keyboards that I'm used to and that I've featured in this channel, and that it's expected. It's a top mount with a brass plate, but even so, with that, you see that there's a fair amount of play. So I really love how they implemented this top mounting system. The switches, they're good. Expected of the newest lineup of switches that Akko has been sending me. Cream yellow, cream blue, and now this crystal red wine. Only that I feel that it's too light for my liking. That the switch, the spring is too light. So depends on your preference. Sound profile, I think a bit deeper compared to the Akko Cream Yellows. Then again, this is a very dampened keyboard. There's a silicone bottom case and a silicone plate foam. In my full video, I'm planning to remove some of those and see how it goes. And if my guess is right, based on experience, I think this would sound awesome once some of those sheet are removed and probably a tape mod. So that's it for now. Enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed this teaser. Really, really, really amazing. The keycaps are cute. The profile, we'll talk about that in the full video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.